We are living in a very interesting time in the technology world. There's a huge paradigm shift that is happening at the moment in the form of voice technology. Voice-enabled services has seen a significant growth in the rate of adoption within a short period of time. Voice commerce is expected to jump to a whopping $40 billion by 2022. This is largely due to the market leaders such as Amazon and Google introducing the voice-driven assistants in the form of Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Just like in the days where mobile apps were beginning to get traction, currently, voice apps such as Alexa Skills and Google Actions are in a similar position, growing in terms of numbers. Currently, there's a huge hunt for the next killer app.
Somebody's gonna build an assistant app that is gonna be crazy.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Zuki Taib. I'm the founder of a voice tech startup called Sniffer. I'm also a full stack voice tech developer and a father of 4. I have been dealing with voice tech for many decades now, as early as 1990s when I hacked the covert speech card on the IBM PC to be able to launch missiles by voice in my flight simulator game. That was really fun. Since then, I have built a few startups and have immersed myself in the field of emerging technology. Innovations excites me. Subscribe to this channel to join me as I evangelize, leverage, and harness technology related to voice. I will be regularly releasing tutorials on the many different ways to build amazing voice apps as well as voice technology in general. See you in the next video.